Yeah, that's absolutely right, Karen. And some of those headwinds that you mentioned will definitely continue from the last quarter into the coming months as well. And top of mind now really is around the economic picture, and in particular those COVID lockdowns we've seen in parts of China that began in around March. So you won't necessarily see the full impact from those in Q1, but we'll hear a lot of commentary about how those are expected to affect the companies in the coming months ahead as well. And we have already seen some of the economic fallout from that. Retail sales were sharply lower than expected in March as well. Investment bank analysts are saying that consumption is also likely to be a drag on the economy in the coming months as well. And of course, that could impact the likes of e-commerce giants Alibaba and JD, but also you could see that filter through to other areas like advertising as well, which could weigh on the results of the likes of Tencent and Baidu as well. The other big factor that continues to be an issue for Chinese tech stocks is the regulatory environment as well. We saw that significantly tighten last year, a whole slew of regulation come into effect, and that really caught a lot of investors off guard, and that's why you saw a lot of those Chinese tech stocks sell off over the past few months as well. Now, interestingly, there are signs that perhaps some of this regulatory tightening is easing as well. Beijing has stated its support in terms of policy for the tech sector. There is reportedly a meeting between Beijing officials and Chinese tech execs as well, in signs of further working together. And of course, that JP Morgan upgrade suggesting that some of these issues around regulatory environment may start to ease as well. And in the face of that, what you are seeing is a lot of Chinese tech companies begin to focus a lot more on global expansion to pick up the slack from where domestic demand has fallen as well. Now, I just want to move over and show you a little bit about how these stocks are trading today on the back of some of the signs that regulatory pressure is easing. You are seeing some relief rally here in some of these stocks, but I do want to show you year-to-date performance as well here. Look, significantly lower as well as those issues continue to weigh, and there is still a sense of fragile sentiment here from investors towards a lot of these Chinese tech names.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.